welcome back to my channel. It's very noisy because I have the girls downstairs and Ellie. So today's video I decided to record because I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen and I love watching people clean their homes. So today I decided I'm gonna clean the kitchen, so why not record it? Maybe I'll inspire, motivate other people to clean, or if you guys just like watching, I also find it relaxing, so if you guys do too, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Enough talking and let's get cleaning. saying hi. How are you, Ellie?
I'm gonna take her swing, sing my own light, and
Yeah.
me and Nicole are in our new house.
Yes. Are you happy with the new place?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I didn't know there's a closet you can put it there.
Yeah. All right. Let me go say hi to Luna. Okay. Hi, baby. Guys, she's drooling so much. I think she may be teething. How are you? How's my gorgeous girl doing? I love you.
Look, Mommy.
I love you.
Mommy, found her bottle.
You think she's hungry?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
She's so cute.
She's hungry.
You think so?
Yeah.
I love you. Okay, guys, so we're all tired. We're all ready to go to sleep. I am exhausted. But first we're going to clean and, first we're going to eat and then I'm going to put the girls to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found some motivation in cleaning as well, or just felt relaxed. I know I feel relaxed when I watch other people clean, and it motivates me also to want to clean. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I do want to say that I bought some stuff for the kitchen, and I will be uploading that video as soon as I finish buying everything I want, so I can show you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!